Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here, if you haven't, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. My name is Yami, and this is my little corner of the internet. Today, I'm gonna be updating you guys on some Lavavi stuff. It is a very gloomy day here in Houston. We are literally in the middle of a tropical storm. Yes, thankfully it's just a tropical storm. There's still flooding going on in the city, but it's just a tropical storm. Taz left to go to work, and I am home, and it's very gloomy. I honestly just want to stay in bed all day, but we cannot do that today. We have a lot to do, and I have a lot to catch up you guys on. Is that right, English? I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna try to set you up right here. Perfect. Okay, so first things first. Got the Lavavi bags. These guys. They are here. They haven't been opened yet because it's pouring, and I left them in the car. I haven't brought them into my HQ, aka garage. So these are here. That's perfect. I have been going back and forth with my manufacturer because I still have yet to receive my pre-production samples, and that was supposed to get here last week, and so I've already been delayed. So they keep delaying things, and when I reached out to them, I asked why. They said that they didn't have black fabric and they had to order it. And I got into a little tiff with one of my manufacturer last night because I wanted more updates, and he's like, oh, we might be able to send them out this week. Not sure yet. And I said, how do you not know? And listen, I am fully aware that things happen, but what I told him was that if you knew that you had to order more fabric, tell me that so that I don't have a false sense of time for when I'm going to get everything. You know what I mean? So all that to say that just make sure that you have really, really great communication with your manufacturer. Excuse me, I have something in my throat and it's so annoying. Like I told him, I knew that, like, I know things happen, but I just want better communication so that I don't have, like I said, a false timeline in my head. And so with that, you guys, I'm so nervous for this launch. I put my heart and soul into it, and I just don't want it to flop. But, so it's looking like if he sends it out this week, I'll get it next week, and that'll be the last week of September. And if everything is perfect, I will approve it, and then it'll take 30 to 40 days for them to make it. So that'll put us in November already, and I am so annoyed. But I have to go with, what happens. I have to control what I can and not try to control what I can't. And this is a part of the things that I cannot control. And all that to say that this is going to happen time and time again. So it's looking like a November launch, y'all. So this literally happened last night, so I'm still coming to terms with it. But wanted to let you guys know, wanted to keep you guys a part of all of the process so you know exactly what's going on and you get a better understanding. So I wanted to be as transparent as possible and sharing all the things, not just the good things, but the bad things as well. With that said, I have placed the order for the packaging. So I told you guys the clothes are going to come in this, and then I'm going to wrap it up with the tissue paper, the sticker, the postcard, and those are all ordered. I made a video about how I made them. I'll link it below so you guys can check it out if you haven't watched it. When I get it, I will obviously show you guys. Next up, so I mentioned that I got that grant last week in last week's video, and originally I thought I was going to put it towards design like the clothes. That's my dog, Kona. I think what I'm gonna end up doing is invest that for my website. So up until this point, I've done it all. I've created the website, I've done SEO for the website, which I didn't do anything because I just don't know. And I think it's time to invest in a website designer / builder / coder / SEO, just to help me get my conversion rate up. I did a little bit of a dive into my analytics, and my conversion rate, but my returning customer rate is great. So I just need to continue to get more people, which has always been what I've known I needed to do. I put a job description on Upwork to see if I can get anybody. Ideally, I would love a female, but at this point, it's like I can't be too picky because I might not be able to find one in time that I like. So I'm doing that, working on that today. I have a huge to-do list of things I need to do, and just to give you a quick synopsis of the to-do list while getting ready for launch. Okay, so I have to start planning, which I'm already late for, a Black Friday campaign. I have to plan a shoot that's happening this weekend, and that shoot is specifically of all of my old products that I want to keep on the site, and I want everything to match. So I'm redoing everything, and I have a plan for the site, but my old pictures won't match, so I'm going to redo that. The new website design, I have to do all the product descriptions, I have to do a sizing chart for everything, I have to do a website copy, and that just means all the verbiage that you'll see on my website. I have to create a loyalty program. I am in the middle of doing that, where you guys can collect points for all of your purchases or your shares or your email notifications, all that. I have to look for the influencers that are going to be a part of the release. I have to put together a one-pager for those influencers so they have an idea of what's coming out and what I am looking for them as a company. I have to edit an Excel sheet with my operating expenses versus my profits. I have to work on my Pinterest. I have to plan the IG feed. I have to do my donations for this past month. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, Lavavi does donate a portion of our proceeds to Feeding America, which help feed families in need. So I have to do that. I have to price the new pieces. I have to find places to shoot once I get the new pieces. I have to, I think I already said, name the pieces and price them. I have to take inventory downstairs. I have to create a list of the manufacturers that I've been using just to stay organized. I have to do a newsletter campaign, and I think that's it, but I know that's not it. It's gonna keep getting busier and busier. Now this is the time where I literally go crazy. Yesterday I was in front of my computer all day, and I feel like I got nothing done because I was just researching things. And I was talking to Taz, and he's like, I think it's time for you to outsource things because you're driving yourself crazy and it's messing with my mental health. I had anxiety all day yesterday because I felt like I just can't do it all, and I know that I can. And Taz was like, so when do you think you'll be able to like let go? And I said, I'm there. I need the help. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do now. I know that was English, but I'm going to be trying to start outsourcing some things so that I can do what I really want to do and give people that are more talented in these specific areas these jobs so that I can grow as a business, because I know that I've probably hit my peak in terms of growing a business. You guys know that I don't have a background in business. I don't have a background in fashion design. I just have a really big heart with a passion. That's literally it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I know this was just like a kind of like a sit down video, but I just wanted to give you guys an update on what it is that's happening right now, where we're looking. But I did want to ask you guys if you could help me with this launch. I want you guys to share the Instagram account, the website with all of your friends and family. And I was thinking if you guys wanted a code, I got some comments that there are some, in my last video, that there are some smaller influencers that want a code, and you know, I welcome that. So if you are a small influencer or you just feel like you would do really, really well with affiliate marketing, reach out to me, send me an email or a DM, and I'll glad to set you up with a code to share with your family and your friends. If you guys can just help me just spread the word. I also want to hit 10,000 followers on Lavavi before launch. Honestly, just to get the swipe up, because it makes such a difference when a consumer is going through your stories and it just says swipe up instead of like link in bio. They are more than likely going to forget to do that instead of being able to just swipe up. So I really, really want the swipe up feature. So if you're not following Lavavi, please follow Lavavi. I'll put the link, everything in the description box below, just to make it easy for you. And like I said in the last video, and I'm just being 100% honest here, I'm just really, really nervous about this. This is going to be new waters for Lavavi, just being on the sustainable route, recycled fabrics, all of those things. And I think that we could do really, really great things in the space. And if no one knows about it, then we can't do anything. So I just need more word of mouth and just spreading the word out there. So if you guys can do that for me, I'd really, really appreciate it. I'm going to do a giveaway here sometime, but I have to plan everything out first. But that's the video. I just wanted to come on here and just make a quick video for you guys to update you on everything that's going on. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them down below. I wish I can show you more things, but this is where it's all like on the computer now. Until, of course, I get the actual pre-production samples, which I will show you guys when they arrive. Okay, I think that's it. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'd be happy to answer as many as I can. Don't forget to follow Lavavi and sign up for our newsletter. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all of your support. There are still pieces left from the last collection, so if you're interested in those, check those out. And I think I'm done talking. I love you all so much. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. Mwah.